So today I am going to get my brain scanned, and it's not a medical thing, so don't worry. It's basically my housemate Jolie, who you've seen in a few of the videos. She does psychology and it's part of her dissertation. It's about bilingual people.
Languages.
Yeah.
Linguistics.
Some shit like that. Who can switch languages and stuff. And I can't do that, but I get to do it anyway because I'm special. Yay! This is what's called the brain lab, apparently. Woo!
So the process started out with Jolie measuring my head. This was to make sure that she could get the right size net for my head. I genuinely think I have quite a small head, so I'm pretty sure I had the smallest net going. This is where Jolie had to draw a big red dot with permanent marker in the middle of my head. It was quite fun to wash out, but you know, it had to be done for the purposes of the experiment, so I'll let her off with that one. This bit was fun. This is where, I can't really remember exactly, but I had to open and close my jaw. I think this is, again, to measure for the net as well, to make sure they know where each side was going, each side of my jaw kind of thing. While they were looking at different nets to see which one would suit me best, I was filling out plenty of paperwork and consent forms, and also reading the instructions for the actual experiments themselves, because I hadn't really been given a lot of information because it's quite, secret. But, I used this time to read them and then ask any questions afterwards.
Okay. We're aiming for the second line on Jodie's head, which is quite big. You see?
Nice.
Eyes closed. Jodie, keep your head dead straight so you don't try and duck into the net or anything like that. Keep your head dead straight.
And then it was a case of them rubbing these little circular things into my hair, and it was really, I think, frustrating for them because they had a little screen which basically looked like a tree of all these different circles, and they had to make sure all of them were green and embedded into my head properly. And here's my results. Unfortunately, I couldn't film the actual experiment itself, but basically it was just a test to see if me, someone who only speaks one language, could switch tasks as quickly as someone who, for say, could speak 2 languages or 3 languages and are able to switch from their languages in conversation to see if they're better at switching tasks in general. I'd like to point out the reason why I have a really hideous plaster on my ear is because I was actually covering up my anti-tragus piercing, because it may have got caught in the net, so I was advised to do so. So yeah, I don't just wear that for fashion.
Okay, your hair was stolen from you and you're free.
Like dots on your cheeks.
Oh god. How long is it going to be like that? Today I'm doing the Ice Bucket Challenge, nominated by my friend Angelina. You can see here we have our bucket with ice.